that Siebe don't have no fear in his heart.
Yeah, he don't. He say he does this shit for fun.
He's scared of this slap though.
Oh.
Bitch ass nigga.
Oh.
Smack me, see what happens.
Oh shit.
Put the cam down.
You put the cam down.
Put the cam down.
Oh shit.
Come here. Bitch.
Me personally, I'm not taking that. Me personally, I'm not taking that.
Hold on, President Phantom hasn't seen him slapping him lately. I'm not taking that. He gets slapped lately.
Yeah, slap me back.
Put the cam down right now. I'll smack the shit out of you.
Oh!
Are you straight?
Nah, you let your brother get smacked.
Why you just let that roll? Oh, you not letting that roll.
Put the cam down, bitch.
You not letting that roll.
Back there.
What's up? Bitch ass nigga. Nice pussy.
Now y'all can't be smacking each other like that, bro.